Welcome to Koreshan State Park. We're on Site 36. That's my 2022 Tiffin Allegro 37 PA rear engine diesel. Site 36. 35 and 34 are the handicaps. They were already full. This one fits a 40-footer nice. 44, I don't know. You'd have to try it. But anyhow, I'm going to walk around and show you my site. 36 is here. Plenty big. I got 4 slides. Not touching anything. All the sites have water hookups and electric hookups. They do not have sewer hookups. That's fine though. Nice box. Had a turtle here to greet me. I took a video of him. Oh, there he is too. He didn't go anywhere yet. He's a little baby turtle. And he's right there. Hi, little baby. He's about the size of my foot. He's eating grass. And we'll leave him alone because he's a nice little turtle. One thing that's probably not much use is my outdoor TV. I don't watch it much anyway. And then, I don't know where Mr. Turtle's going. I'll show you the path back to the bathhouse. He was always got a path going. I see what he's doing. The bathhouse is back here. There's a mango or something there. I suppose the turtle's been eating it. And again, right here goes to the bathhouse. There's been known to be snakes here, so be on the lookout. Here's our bathhouse. I may as well show you what it's all about. Since I'm here, you got your men on this side, family on the end, cold drinks, snacks, laundry. This is centrally located. Somebody's doing laundry. There's their snacks and drinks. Drinks are how much? Cold drinks. Ice cold drinks. Well, they're cans, so who knows? Press it and see what it says. Does not say nothing. I don't know. Okay. Too complicated for me. There's books, guides, bulletin board, trash drop. You can wash your dishes here. There you go. I'm gonna end the video right here. How much is it to wash? Maybe I can tell you that. $1.75 to wash. And $1.75 to dry. I still haven't figured out the drink yet. $1.25. Okay, we figured it out. There you have it.